Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the inside door handle on this 2002 Ford Focus. Procedure is the same for a lot of the vehicles this era. Only tools you'll need are a T20 Torx driver and a flat blade screwdriver. Okay, to replace the inside door handle, there's a screw in behind the little panel right here, and that's a T20 Torx screw. You want to remove that. Okay, then this panel, just lightly pry the end of it here. Okay, and then it's also locked in back here, so pull a little bit. Okay, you can pull the harness free, and your power window switch is on here. There's a little tab that you can see right from this angle. Press on that tab and pull the harness connection for your power windows switch. Pull this off. You can kind of probably just let this hang down like that. Probably can just reach it with your hand best. Okay, pull it out, then pull it from the door, and then this can just be pretty easily pried up carefully with a screwdriver. The door handle. Okay, take our cable and put it down in first. Make sure it goes into the lock button. This, press it down in, make sure it locks. Okay, there's a little slot right here that the end of the handle goes into. Okay, should make sure that you have this out of the way. Make sure the handle goes in. Okay, and it snaps in there. Now we can reinstall this panel, connect the power window switch, and connect the lock switch. This back part snaps in. Snap the front part in. Last screw. Okay. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.